Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So we have learned that you can list all the possibilities and just putting them together, right? So let's take a look at something else today. So we're going to learn another one is called 6 children, A, B, C, D, E, F, stand in a row. If A, B, they must be adjacent. How many different ways are there in total to put these children in order? And if A, B, two people cannot be adjacent, how many different stations method are there in total? Okay, so I'm going to hit the pause and let you think about it.
Yeah.
So if we can take, because A and B must be adjacent, right? So that means A, B must be standing together. Then now, before it's 6 children, now how many children are there?
There
It's
are
actually 5 children because A and B are together, right? So how many different ways are there? So the first one we can put 5. The second one we can put 4, 3, and 2, and 1. So what is the answer? Is 20 times 6 equals 120.
120.
So now the second question is A and B, two people cannot be adjacent. How many different stations? So now A and B are never sitting together, okay?
Never sitting
So
together.
what is the answer for this one? Think about it. We can think backwards, okay? I give you a pulse. Take a look at this one. So A and B and C and D and E, F, they actually could stand any positions they want, right?
Except
It is
for
6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So altogether, there are 620 different combinations out there, right?
Yeah.
But I don't want A and B standing together. So all I need to do is just a minus they stand together position. There's only 120 possibilities, and minus that equals,
Yeah, so that's 600.
that's 600. Get it, Emma?
Yeah.
So this is how we do this question. So the reason why I'm doing these questions today and yesterday is because I want you to think about it. When some situation is very complicated, for instance, it's very hard for you to find out A and B cannot standing together. Okay, so it is easier to find out if you're putting them together, there are how many possibilities, and using the total possibilities minus that one. Okay, so that's the same thing for the 911 question. So 911 cannot be show up in the first. But how about I just calculate the total amount minus when 911 show up the first because there are only 10 of them. So 10,000 minus 10 is only 9,990. So it will be easier for you to think about every position by position because it's very hard because you can put 9 from the front. It's just that you cannot put 911 together.
Yeah.
So it is always better for you to think about it backwards than forwards, okay? So that's it for today's class. I hope you enjoyed it and have a nice day.